How much foam remover should I use in a hot tub? I've been asked that question a few times, especially since I did my hot tub startup chemical instructions video. I'll do another video about how to avoid getting foam in your hot tub in the first place, but this video is specifically about how to get rid of the foam once you have already got some. If you're getting foam in your hot tub like this, especially when you've got the air jets on, yes, you need some foam remover to get rid of it. The short answer to how much do I need is as little as possible. Here you'll see me pouring in about 1.5 teaspoons full, somewhere between 5 and 10 millilitres, into a 1200 litre tub. And just watch how quickly it gets rid of this foam. The Clearwater instructions on how much foam remover to use are way too generous. Be careful not to overdose your water with foam remover, for the simple reason that foam remover tends to turn the water cloudy. Hence the advice to use as little as possible. But if you keep up with your chlorine levels, water clarity will return. Job jobbed.